I'm Michelle Melville-Cashon. I am the Community Development Coordinator at Sexual Health Alliance, and I'm really excited for an upcoming event we have. It's called Treating Pelvic Pain Vulva Edition, and it's happening online Saturday, November 2nd through Sunday, November 3rd. And it's going to be a really great event. We're going to talk about treating pelvic pain. We're going to talk about diagnosis and assessment. And I have one of our presenters here with us today. Today, I have with us Jillian Giannini. So Jillian Giannini is a passionate pelvic health physical therapist dedicated to empowering individuals on their journey to wellness. Just recently, she opened up her own practice, Leah Pelvic Health Physical Therapy, located in North Hollywood, California. Jillian's mission is to provide trauma-informed, patient-centered care to individuals experiencing pelvic pain, bladder, bowel, and/or sexual dysfunction. She is committed to creating a safe and welcoming environment where patients feel seen, heard, and empowered to take an active role in their healing journey. Welcome, Jillian.
Thank you so much, Michelle. I am honored to be here and so excited for the talk. I've been practicing now for 6 years, and in the pelvic health world, this whole time, I fell in love with it as soon as I graduated PT school in my last clinical rotation. Had an amazing mentor, and I just fell in love about talking about pee, poop, and sex with all my patients. One of the best things.
Love
Haven't
it.
turned back.
That's amazing. So, Jillian will be talking about pelvic health physical therapy and what it entails. So, can you tell us a little bit more about what you're going to be talking about at this event?
Yeah, thank you, Michelle. Well, I felt like it might be helpful to learn a little bit about a background with pelvic health physical therapy. Like, how do we get into it? I feel like sometimes that's not well understood. Like, what courses do we need to take, or how do we dive into this? And so I'll be kind of starting around there and then going into what we treat, like certain diagnoses. I'll talk a little bit on the pelvic floor muscles, how that is a component with pelvic pain. And then, like, how do we work together in a multidisciplinary approach? Because it's so important for outcomes with our patient. I can't do this alone. I have my one part with pelvic PT, but there's so many other portions that are so helpful to work together for them.
Yes, wonderful. That's going to be so helpful for our audience.
Thank you. I'm excited.
Yes. And I like to leave our audience with a little takeaway. So, if somebody is brand new to physical therapy, to pelvic physical therapy, and they're like, where can I find somebody? So, what's your number one tip for finding a pelvic health physical therapist?
Great question. I feel like that's number one, right? First, how do we even find one in my area? And there are some great directories that you can go to, and here are a few I'll name off for you. There's pelvicrehab.com, vaginarehabdoctor.com, there's ABTA pelvic health.org, and then there's pelvicguru.com.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. And I will put those links in the description so people can easily access those. And we are so excited to have you present. Once again, our event is November 2nd and November 3rd. It's online and it's open to anyone. So our audience is usually sex therapists, educators, counselors, coaches. But if you're a medical professional and you'd love to join us, if you're a physical therapist, or you're just really passionate about this topic, you can get your tickets at sexualhealthalliance.com, and there'll be a link to where you can buy your tickets in the description. All right. Well, once again, thank you, Jillian.
Thank you so much.
All right. Bye, everyone.